Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Bojangles app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. The Bojangles app is a fast food ordering and rewards platform designed to make enjoying your favorite Southern-style meals easier and faster. Available on both iOS and Android, the app allows users to browse the Bojangles menu, customize their orders, and choose between pickup or delivery options at nearby locations. It also integrates the Bojangles Rewards program, where customers can earn points on every purchase and redeem them for free food, exclusive discounts, and special offers. The app's main features include easy ordering, real-time pickup tracking, and quick reordering of past favorites. Users can find nearby restaurants, access special deals, and even schedule orders ahead for a smoother experience. The rewards program also offers birthday surprises and limited-time perks, making it more rewarding for loyal fans. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users praise the app for its intuitive design, quick order setup, and smooth payment process. The ability to earn and redeem points easily is a highlight for regular customers. However, some users have mentioned minor issues such as slow loading screens, occasional location errors, or app freezes during checkout. In summary, the Bojangles app may be worth using if you frequently visit Bojangles and want an easy, fast, and rewarding way to order your favorite chicken, biscuits, and sweet tea. However, users should be aware of occasional bugs that can affect the experience. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.